Welcome back, artists. If you want to improve your abstract painting skills faster, focus on practice that develops creativity, confidence, and visual awareness. One of the most effective approaches is creating quick daily exercises that free you from perfection and encourage spontaneous mark making, helping you discover unique textures, rhythms, and movements. Another powerful tip is limiting your color palette during practice sessions. Working with fewer colors strengthens your understanding of color relationships, contrast, harmony, and emotional impact while preventing visual clutter. Equally important is experimenting with different tools and techniques beyond traditional brushes, such as palette knives, sponges, cardboard edges, or even unconventional objects, because each tool creates unexpected effects that can inspire fresh artistic directions. Finally, train your eye by studying composition through dedicated abstract exercises, paying attention to balance, focal points, negative space, layering, and visual flow, instead of aiming to complete perfect artworks every time. Treat each session as an exploration where mistakes become valuable learning opportunities. Consistent practice with purposeful exercises gradually builds artistic intuition and helps you develop a distinctive visual language. The more you challenge yourself to explore, simplify, experiment, and observe, the stronger your abstract painting skills will become. Remember, mastery in abstract art is not about copying techniques, but about developing the confidence to express ideas, emotions, and energy in a way that is uniquely your own. As we wrap up, remember that improving your abstract painting skills is a journey built through consistent practice, curiosity, and experimentation. Every exercise you complete helps strengthen your understanding of color. Composition, texture, and creative expression. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Explore new techniques and embrace unexpected results along the way. And each painting is an opportunity to develop your unique artistic voice. Abstract art thrives on discovery. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future art tutorials. Creative exercises, and painting inspiration. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep experimenting. And most importantly, enjoy the process. I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting!